Alrighty, so I was able to remove all 6 fuel injector, guys. Look at it. This thing looks disgusting after 200,000 miles. They're pretty dirty looking. I'm just going to clean them. They stay working, nothing wrong with it, and put it back on. Look at it. All 6 fuel injector after 200 plus thousand miles, guys. That is crazy. So I'm gonna go ahead and clean it because it's still good. I'm gonna test it and see which one is not working. I'm gonna replace them, but the misfire is kind of coming from all 6 cylinders anyways, but you can see for yourself how disgusting this thing looks. All right, so I was able to take all 6 out, and yeah, as you see here, I cover my engine block with aluminum foil so that nothing goes inside. Having a misfire, you definitely want to check your fuel injector. Pretty cheap on eBay anyway, but not using any aftermarket stuff if this stuff still good. So yeah, if you have money, like I said, go ahead and change it though. Catch you in the next one.